Can you imagine a world in which there was a single rate for each parking garage? Neither can the garage owners. Whoa, those are some complicated rates. Fortunately, we can create code that behaves differently based on certain conditions, like the number of hours we parked in the garage. One way to do this is with an if-else statement. Let's use one to determine the parking fee for this garage. The variable h stores the number of hours parked. If h is less than or equal to 1, then the parking fee is 0. But if h is greater than 1, the fee is $5 for each hour after the first. Let's map this behavior to our if-else statement. We start with the keyword if, followed by an expression that must evaluate to either true or false. Next is the block of code that executes if the expression evaluates to true. Code after the else keyword executes if the expression is false. The end keyword marks the end of the if-else statement. So, for example, if we parked for half an hour, the expression in the if statement is true, so fee is set to 0. But if we parked for 3 hours, the code following else is executed, and fee is 10. Of course, it's common to have more than just 2 possibilities. What do we do if there are 3 or more? In this case, we use the keyword else if to add as many conditions as we need. Just like the if keyword, else if is followed by an expression that must evaluate to true or false. So now, if h is 3, the if condition is false, so execution moves on to the else if expression. This condition is true, so the code in the else if block is executed and fee is 10. However, if we parked for 9 hours, we'd probably be a little sunburnt. But also, both the if and else if conditions are false, and so fee is 35. And there you go. You can use if, else, and else if to write code that behaves differently based on a set of conditions. I just wish I had taken the bus.